Out taking a walk close to my home, and just wanted to share a little something with you. Something that I found kind of strange. It's not something you see very often, and it's the way these trees were blown down, and I'll describe it in a second, but I'll give you a quick look. What makes this really strange is the way the trees are blown in a certain direction, fanned kind of in a little semicircle here. A whole bunch of trees in this one spot, but then right next to it we have trees that are actually tipped the other way. As you can see, these are blown in the complete opposite direction. And we also have trees that are just like madly bent over, and they're not bent over from other trees being on them or having pushed them down. They're just plain bent from the wind. And I thought it was quite interesting, very unique. Here's another one, just bent right over. And then we have trees that are actually blown in this direction and this direction, and if you look further out, they're blown in another direction. You see there's quite a few leaning out that way if you look through the woods. More that way, which is a completely different direction than one. So my take on this is that the wind came from above and blew almost straight down on this little area in a slight direction like this, and kind of blew most of the trees that way and then some of them that way, and in the surrounding area the wind came across the ground, the lower area, and blew them in all directions. So I thought it was pretty interesting to have wind blow downward like that and cause this effect. So if anybody else has something unique like this to share, or the same thing to share, I'd like to see it posted. It's pretty cool. That's the easy way to the top.